Hi, and Namaste. Welcome to the 4th day of the 7-day meditation challenge. Find a comfortable seat and let's begin right away. Today's meditation will help release anxiety. We will take Gya Mudra. The tip of your index finger is touching the tip of your thumb. You're making a circle. And straighten out the rest of your fingers. Rest the backs of your hands on your upper legs. Sit up tall. Relax your shoulders. Slightly dip your chin. And close your eyes or gaze at the floor. And take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. Observe how you feel. How's your body today? Your breath. And allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm. I'm going to guide you through a breathing exercise where we will extend the exhale, which is very helpful whenever we're anxious or stressed out. The inhale will be for a count of 2, and the exhale will be a count of 4. So let's get ready. As you inhale through your nose, 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue on your own. And do one more breathing cycle. Inhale for a count of 2, exhale 4. And let your breath settle in its natural pattern. And notice the effects. Notice how you feel right now. Let's do it again. If this breathing ratio felt good, stick with that, or you can follow me and we'll increase the inhales and the exhales. So the inhale will be a count of 4 and the exhale count of 8. Let's get ready. Here we go. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue on your own. And make it your last round. When you're finished, just follow your breath. Let your breath settle And notice how you feel. Observe your body. Keep breathing the way you're breathing without changing anything. And slowly we're going to finish this meditation with an affirmation. All is well in my world, and everything is working out for my highest good. The birds agree. All is well in my world, and everything is working out for my highest good. Just let that settle. Feel free to take a deep breath. Deep breath in, deep breath out. All is well in my world, and everything is working out for my highest good. Let's finish with one more deep inhale, deep exhale, letting everything go that doesn't serve us. And then slowly lower your chin down towards your chest. Release your hands and bring your hands in front of your heart in prayer position. You can rub your hands. And then hold on to your thighs with your hands. Hold on to your knees. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. May this meditation be a blessing to you, and may it ripple out into the rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my meditation, then sign up now for my free guide to stress-free mornings. The link is right down below. Just click on it, sign up, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.